Good afternoon, 大家好. So I'm Tim, and I want to talk about Lingo. When I was preparing to do this lightning talk, I asked some friends if they had any advice for me, and they gave me some tips. They said, don't do any live coding, that'll probably go wrong. In fact, I just saw a tweet over on the screen saying, definitely don't do any live coding, use video or GIF. You can use internet memes, that's a good way of connecting with your audience, and of course make it interesting. Well, I am going to be doing live coding. I have no pictures of cats, and hopefully it's interesting. So Lingo is a hosted content management system. This is Lingo's interface. In the top left is the site level configuration. You can configure the domain name, configure who is working on the site with you, upload files and images, and I'm going to talk more about image processors and content types in the demo. Then there's the page hierarchy, and finally themes. Themes are where you store HTML templates, CSS, and JavaScript for your site. And in the center is the page editor. So Lingo is a hosted platform for building and managing websites. It's free for one website. We've got paid plans coming very soon. And of course, it's built using Ruby. Thank you, Mats. So now I'm going to do a demonstration of building a website using Lingo. So I've already created a Lingo account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a site. Now, as we know, Ruby is an object-oriented programming language, so there's only one possible example we can use. I'm going to create a website which lists animals. I'm going to use the Bootstrap theme to save some time. Go ahead and create the site. And now the site's created. I can view the site already. As you'll see, it's a very basic, standard Bootstrap theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a new content type. Content types are how Lingo structures your data. So I'll call that animal. I'll add a description field and a file upload field to store images. Save that. Now I can add some pages. I'll add a page first for cats. I'll grab the description from Wikipedia. And that is, the content type is animal. I'll add the description from Wikipedia and upload a file. Okay, I lied, there is one picture of a cat. Save that and add another page, this one for dog. And fans of Blackadder in the audience might recognize this description. And again, I'll upload an image. So now I've created the pages, but they're not going to appear on the site yet because we haven't set up a template, so I'll do that next. I'll add a template for the animal content type. Instead of making you watch me type it, I'll go and grab that one I typed earlier. Lingo uses the Liquids template language, which is flexible and quite powerful. So now when I save that and go back to the site, hit refresh, I've got tune your items in the navigation for cat and dog. If I go to that page, you'll see, oops. This is why you should never live code. Okay, so there we go, there's the cat page. Now the dog page has a bit of a problem. The image is far too large. So we can use another feature of Lingo to fix that. Image processors. I'll add an image processor, call it animal image, and we'll resize images to 200 pixels wide. And just for fun, we'll add a Polaroid filter. Save that. Now to use that image processor, I need to update the template. And I'll do that with the processed image URL filter. Save that, and now when I go back and refresh the page, resized it and applied a little Polaroid filter, and the same on the cat page. So that's it for the demo. I'll go back to my slides. So Lingo might be for you if you build and manage websites. You want powerful features wrapped in a simple but fast interface. You want more flexibility than maybe other CMSs provide. And you want a hosted solution. You don't want to worry about database backups, server maintenance, security, reliability, etc. So that's it. I'm Tim Jones. There are my contact details. If you're interested, please check it out at lingohq.com, and thank you very much.